Major transport services. You call it, we'll haul it.
What's going on, guys? So today's video, we're going to be installing these step rails onto my 1500 Dodge Ram Bighorn truck. So this is a 22 model, so I don't know if anyone else has put out a video as new as this. If not, here we go. I'm tired of pulling myself up in there, so go ahead and install these rails. That'll make life a little easier, and they're easy to install. It ain't much to it. You got these brackets right here, these black brackets. And so as you see, they're real simple. That'll be hanging out. That flat surface right there that's hanging out is where that step bar will go on that. This is pretty much all the hardware. What we're using today is simple. We got a basic drill, a 1/2 inch. So I got this from Walmart. This is basically a shower curtain. We lay it down so I don't get all dirty. We're gonna grab onto these knobs right here. We're gonna grab onto these. Very simple. So as you see, that's in there. So that's it. And then we get a washer, spacer, and put that on there with a nut on the end. Nuts are not coming off once you get them on there. Tell me, we just do that all the way around. What I like about filming this, it plays as a mirror too, so I don't have to actually get up under there. Probably at some point I would have to, but right now I can see the camera. You just get them finger tight, so that way drilling them down just would be like a tap tap. So that's that last one right there. Do this one next, and then this third one down there. Music. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Music. All right, so we got the brackets on right now, so get them up out of ice. So as you see on the inside here, we have these little shifting parts that's gonna line up. They're gonna line up and take all these off.
Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully.
Music. I can get my footing adjusted where I want it. right there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tap it in, guys. Let's get on up under here. Let's go ahead and go to work. Tap this on in. So now we'll be using this other tool for this. We'll be using a regular ratchet set to tie it in. As you see, I'm just tying these in. Yep, tying it in right there. Get the other one, do the same thing, finger tight them up.
Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully.
All right, guys, so what you think, man?
Yeah.
Got it fixed up.
Yeah.
So,
You got it, Gordy.
yes, sir. It's
Why you
sturdy.
set it up right?
Yep.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Gordy ain't got time no more, shit.
I know, right, exactly. Yep. All right, y'all see I put pressure on this. It's on there. Yes, sir, it's on there, man. So, there you go. So, there you go. I put the running boards, or the stepping boards on there. So, that's gonna make life so much more easier just getting in and out of the truck. And it just put a little pop to the truck, and it give it a more of a commercial look. So I'm pleased with it. So what you think, man? Let me know down below. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, man. You know, if you have any questions or something, just let me know. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, share it, and maybe someone who you know who has some stepping boards at the house and just need to install them. Hey, this video might help them. If so, pass it to them. Thanks, man. And again, see you in the next video. All right, peace.